paesani, tempo per un'altra parola catalogisa. Yes, time for another Sicilian word. I'm glad you're all enjoying my videos, and this is why I do them. Now, today I have a 3-in-1 for you. They all sound the same, but they mean different things. So we have Mudricu. Mudricu is your belly button, and in Italian it's Ombelico. Then we have Mudricutu, which means it's soft, and in Italian we say Morbido. But then we have Mudricuni. Mudricuni means the soft part of the bread, like the inside, not the crust, but the inside. You know, when it's fresh panini and you go get the part that's on the inside, it's nice and soft. In Italian, I guess it's la parte morbida del pane. I don't know how else to explain it. So those are the 3 words. Mudricu, belly button, Ombelico. Mudricutu means soft, morbido. And Mudricuni, which is the soft part of the bread, and in Italian it's la parte morbida del pane. So that's the word for today. Those are the words, 3-in-1. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for positive posts and funny ones as well. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.